over how to do a commercial flat roof inspection in 60 seconds. You're going to need 2 core samples, one on the high side and one on the low side of the roof. The reason you do this is to verify whether the slope is in the insulation or in the structural deck. You also want to verify the deck type, whether it's concrete, metal, wood. You're going to want to count the pipe boots. You're going to want to count any pitch pockets, any AC stands or pedestals if they are on aluminum stands. When it comes to drains, you're going to need 3 things. You want to get an accurate count, you want to measure the diameter of the drain assemblies, and you need to get 2 measurements from 2 walls so that way you can pinpoint the placement on the roof and design your taper plan appropriately. You're going to want to get a good count on any scuppers or overflow drains in the parapet wall, or if you have counter flashing on the parapet wall, you're going to want to take note of what type of system it is and how many linear feet of counter flashing, wall flashing, or any stucco removal is going to be necessary to properly flash the roof. But if your roofing membrane extended up on the parapet wall, you want to make sure you get that square footage. If you miss this measurement, it can cost you thousands. On projects that have metal coping cap, you want to make sure that you measure the height of the coping cap, the distance across, and whether or not it has a cleat system. You want to take note of any lightning protection systems or any electrical running on the roof, so that way you can have the appropriate vendors come out and give you a quote. Now that you've completed your inspection, there's a few things you want to consider when wrapping up your proposal. How are you going to get the material on the roof? Do you have roof access? Are you going to need a crane? Are you need special equipment? Staging areas and construction timelines. So if you have any questions, click the link below. We want to help you. If you're looking for a place to sell commercial projects, we want you on our team.